You were the friend you needed now.
No. No, he was the friend I needed, and that's the truth. You know, and soon today, tomorrow, he's going to be gone, and all that's going to be left is me sitting in that chair, wondering what the hell I'm going to do with my life now that he's gone.
Well, you still got me.
Yeah. Yeah, I still got you. There's no shaking you, is there?
Coming back here makes you think about the choices you've made, people you've chosen to spend your time with. Would they stick around if I got sick like Nigel? Probably not. And I wouldn't blame them if they didn't. They're not family, are they?
You got family.
Yeah, no disrespect, bruv, but after the abuse you put your body through, I'm expecting to outlive you by a stretch.
Oh, you got Courtney. You got Mark, you know. You want a relationship with him, he's right there, isn't he?
No, he ain't interested.
He's just saying that, isn't he? Trying to protect himself. He's right there. You just got to get through to him, that's all.
Maybe. Right. Whether it's too late or not, we should get back.
Not until I found the right stone.
What is it with you and the stone?
Well, he asked for it, so it's important. One last stone.
You heard yourself. I mean, what does it even mean?
I don't know. But he said it.
Right, I'm gonna go. Phil! Nigel's still hanging on. We've got to go. Looks like I'm driving.
Julie.